Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GA4 scroll tracking templates for UI UX, complete guide step by step clearly. To download GA4 scroll tracking templates for UI UX, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Analytics official website. Sign in to your Google Analytics account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the admin gear icon located in the lower left corner. In the admin panel, find the property column. Select the property where you want to implement scroll tracking. Next, click on Data Streams. Choose your desired data stream from the list. Scroll down to find the Enhanced Measurements section. Ensure that the scroll tracking feature is enabled. Now, for the template, search for GA4 scroll tracking templates on a search engine. Look for trusted sources or documentation that provide these templates. Download the template files that are offered in CSV or JSON format. Open the downloaded file in your preferred text or spreadsheet editor. Review the template to ensure it meets your project requirements. Make any necessary edits to customize the template for your specific UI UX needs. Save the edited template file to your computer. Now, return to your Google Analytics account. Go back to the Data Streams section of your property. Locate the Events tab within the Data Stream settings. Click on Create Event. Here, you can input the details from your downloaded template. Name the event according to your defined tracking criteria. Map the parameters from your template to the corresponding fields in GA4. Once all details are inputted, click Save. Verify that the new event is listed under your data stream events. To test the implementation, use the Google Tag Assistant tool. Ensure that the scroll tracking event triggers as expected on your site. Finally, can review the data collected from scroll. This process will help you effectively implement GA4 scroll tracking templates to enhance your UI UX insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.